king brown's venom may not be as potent as the taipan's, but what it lacks in quality, it makes up for in quantity. Injecting up to 6 times more venom in a single bite. The largest venom yield ever recorded. Prey suffers hemorrhaging, paralysis, and renal failure. Australia is home to some of the world's most venomous snakes. But how do they rate against the rest? This 10-foot rat snake is unaware it's being watched. It needs all the venom, power, and size it can muster. Bad for the rat snake, and bad for us. 16mm fangs, like hypodermic needles, inject 20 times more venom than most venomous snakes in a single bite. Within minutes, the neurotoxins stun the nervous system, paralyzing the body, shutting down lungs, and damaging brain functions.